Hello, my name is Andrea, and I provide customer success with Tax1099. And today we will do a video on using the web connector to import from QuickBooks Desktop into Tax1099. You need to be logged into your QuickBooks Desktop, logged in as admin, and also logged into your Tax1099 account. We will start here. Click on Imports in a blue ribbon, QuickBooks Desktop, and Web Connector. We will now click Download Now, and you can see the file did download, but we will not open it here. Instead, minimize and go back to your QuickBooks. Click on File, App Management, then Update Web Services. There's one already there, a web connector, but it's not mine, so let's just remove it. You can't see, but this says yes, this box is no, so click the first box for yes. Right, so now the web connector is removed and we can start fresh. You might see this screen when you first click on the File App Management Update Web Services. So now we will click Add an Application. We're going to look for that QWC file. Just go to Downloads. This is the easiest place. Look for your email address and double click it. Press OK. That's to authorize the web service. And now this will bring you to the web connector. You will check the box here, put in your password. It will be your tax1099.com password with the dash, either capital N if you're importing NECs or M if you're doing miscellaneous. After that, you click Update Selected. You can press yes to save the password as long as it's correct. That way you don't have to keep typing it in. And then hit Update Selected again. So we are waiting for the progress bars to be 100%. And we're also looking for the last results to say OK. So after this, click Exit. We will go back to Tax1099. And now we're going to click Proceed without confirmation email. This is just one way that you can get to your forms without having to check your email. So click the blue button. All right. So now this is the import screen, import grid. It is time sensitive, so we do suggest that you either download your error list and it will bring up an Excel that has all your errors on it, or you can just simply click on any dot that has a red name. So this is the Excel sheet where you can see all of your errors. You know exactly what to fix, or you can just click on the red dot um, and fill in any information that is missing. So with this one, it's the phone number. And if you don't have their information in on QuickBooks, just like this one, you will have to fill in the information before you can proceed. They do need to have a EIN number, address uh, to import. So after you fill in all the information, click Save. Once we get all green dots, We will click Select All and Next. And now your forms are officially saved into Tax 1099 via the QuickBooks Desktop Web Connector import. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.